helps you to edit your photo. Yes, I know it's pretty much different topic. I hope it will help you in your regular work. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to talk about Adobe Lightroom. Yes, it is one of my favorite software that I use. Yes, you already know about this, but it is more powerful. You can do everything with it. Now I'm going to open this application. I have already downloaded it, and now I'm gonna a short review of this application. Here it is. I will provide the link in the description below. So here it is. Here you can do pretty much everything. You have noise correction option, split tuning, effects, camera calibration, and many things. If you research about this software, you can do everything. Now I'm going to another application which is also provided by Adobe, and that is Adobe Photoshop Express. Yes, beside that, Adobe Lightroom is also available for your Android devices. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna open a image for it to show you. Okay, here it is. In this application, it is pretty much user friendly. You can set effects, and if you open a Adobe ID, you can use the premium features of it. In here you can also have the exposure value, contrast, light, highlights, shadows. Beside this Adobe Lightroom, it is more user friendly than Adobe Lightroom. You can easily use this. You don't need to be a pro user. You can easily use it. So now I am going to my Android device and show you the other application. So wait for some time. Now I am opening Pixel. Yes, it is my one of favorite application, and for a long I've using long time, and it is so much powerful, and you can do pretty much everything with it. You can add effects. Beside this, you can also add some painting effects, and you can also make oil or painting, and you can make logo with it. It is so much powerful that you can easily do any kind of stuff. So that's it. Now I'm opening another application. Now I'm opening Pixeler Express. It is one of my favorite application. In here you can also get some tools like other editor did, and you can also find overlays into it. Add in your picture. It will stylize your photo. You can also add some frames like overlays and light effect. Beside this, it will very much user friendly, so that you can easily use this application to. And so I'm going to another application. Now I'm going to Photolab. It is one of my favorite application, and nowadays it will very much trendy. In here you can you can you can apply it from online. It will pretty much user friendly. Not can easily add the effect will easily add by you. Now I'm going to show a sample. Here I select the image, and now I'm gonna you can select the image and apply the effect. It's pretty much easy. I'm back. I'm going to another application called Snapseed. Yes, it is my another favorite application that I am using, because you can find many tools that remodify your picture, like tuning your image, and you can easily apply it. It is much user friendly than other application. If you know or if you have some knowledge about it, then you can easily apply it. In that application you will get another option like expanding your image. It will help to expand your image without creating the quality, but you will have to alert, because if you don't select the area properly, it will damage your picture. In here you can also get the HDR effect. This effect is much stronger than any other application does. You can easily add HDR effect into it. That's it. Another application. Now I'm going to talk about tools for editor. Yes, it is pretty much user friendly and more effective than any other application does. Yes, you can get more tools into it. You can remodify your picture, you can add frame, and you can also get heavily customizable tools that don't have any application. You can also add depth of field and other effects. Then it's more effective than any other tools or any other application does. So just review the application and try to recreate something. Now I'm going to back my PC. Okay guys, I hope you like the video. If you like my video, hit on the thumbs up button, or if you dislike it, hit on the thumbs down button, and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestion for me, then comment in the comment below. So that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. So bye.
Press start.